Today, we're going back to basics, cooking chicken inside fresh bamboo right by the river. First step, find the perfect bamboo. Not too thin, not too thick, just enough to fit a whole chicken. On the way, we passed by some banana trees. Perfect. We gather a few leaves to use later as our natural plates, and also to cover our bamboo pot. Who needs plastic when nature provides everything? And here's our cooking spot, right beside a spring, where we'll have unlimited fresh water supply. The perfect kitchen. First, we prepare the rice, washed right here in the spring water.
Sukat? Ano kayo sa sukat? Yan. Yan. Katalo. Oo, katalo na. Yan. Ayos na.
Along the way, we also found some fresh edible ferns, perfect for a simple earthy salad.
Yan.
When we reached the spot, we cleaned the chicken thoroughly and packed it with spices and aromatics, ready to be cooked inside the bamboo.
Very specialty daw ni Chef Pablo.
Then the chicken goes straight into the hollow bamboo sealed with banana leaves and placed directly over firewood. No pots, no pans, just pure traditional cooking.
Ari daw walang sabaw. Kita nyo kanina walang sabaw. Ari hindi na kahit hindi ang kunti na paubi lang eh. Dapat ari baga.
We also brought along some fresh Tawilis fish, which we picked up earlier from a vendor on his tricycle. Perfect for grilling by the river, to go with our bamboo cooked chicken and rice.
Tutulo din daw ang kanin. Oh, para magsasaing ng baysanan eh. Ay. Nabulok na.
Mamaya pa ng kaunti.
Maya pa yan, Chef.
Mamaya pa ng kaunti.
Nagpagi lang.
Yan. Yan na.
Yun.
Finally, everything's ready. We lay out the banana leaves, pour the rice, bring out the chicken, and prepare for a simple Boodle fight feast. Add a few shots of gin, endless laughter, and good conversation. This is what life's all about. Sometimes the best meals are not in restaurants, but right here, in nature, with good friends and simple food. Would you try this kind of feast? Comment yes or no. Don't forget to like and subscribe.